Hi folks, Marty here, and today we're going to take a look at how to paint warm clouds. Basically, I got into the car today and decided I'd go out and I'd get a photograph of a scene that I always liked and always thought one day I'll paint that. So today, got in the car and pulled up outside, got the phone out and took a shot of the phone. So back in the studio, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the sky a nice warm colour. So I'm using some raw sienna, a bit of red and cobalt blue as my main colours. So basically I put on the raw sienna or yellow ochre. You can use either of those, by the way. I put that on first and then bled the red into it. And then for the underclouds, I've added the blue. So for the tops, I'm just touching with water just to expand the size of the cloud, because I'm going to paint over this with some blue afterwards. So it'll soften up the tops of those clouds. So have a go at that. Just take your time working through, just practicing those clouds. A great little exercise for beginners if you're starting to get into painting clouds and so on. So obviously the main focus of this little tutorial is to work on the clouds. When I get to the main section of painting the water and the rocks and so on, that'll be sped up. So what I've done now, I've mixed the three colours together and I've just made a bit of a muddy, like a warm grey tone, just to bring that down towards the horizon. The top bit was just the cobalt blue. So I'm just cutting around those shapes that I've drawn out. So basically you can apply this cloud scene, this sky scene to anything. So don't be worried if the boathouse isn't your cup of tea. But if you're learning skies and you want to practice a different one, have a go at this one. So what I'm doing now with the tissue, I'm just softening up the tops of those clouds where the blue meets the top of the cloud. I'm just softening up the horizon line here, where the sky meets the line, the horizon line. So basically I dried that off, just to speed up the process, and now I'm using a combination of those three colours for the rest of this painting. Don't forget, folks, you can also slow this down as well in the YouTube settings, although if I add some music to it, that may not work so well. And if you don't like the music, turn down the volume and play your own as you're watching this. So folks, all to do at this stage is just to put in a wee bit of finer detail. I'm just darkening that horizon. And I'll pop the old signature on. And then taking the tape off. Now just be careful you don't rip the painting. And there you go, folks. There's today's little painting.